In this video, I'll be discussing what happens after you file for a green card through USCIS by way of adjustment of status. Welcome, my name is Jeremy Richards and I am an immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik, where we dedicate our practice solely to U.S. immigration law. In this video today, I will be discussing what happens after you file for a green card by way of adjustment of status with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up on our videos so that other people out there searching for similar content can find it as well. What happens after you file your I-130 petition for a foreign relative with USCIS along with I-485 adjustment of status? Once that case is filed with USCIS, what they will do is they will issue what is called a receipt notice. You will receive a receipt notice for every application or petition that you file with USCIS. So if you're filing for adjustment of status, you will receive a receipt for your I-130 petition. You'll receive a receipt for your I-485. You will also receive a receipt for your work authorization application as well as your travel authorization application if you file those along with your adjustment application. It typically takes 1 to 2 months for USCIS to receive your case and issue those receipt notices. The important part of those receipt notices is it confirms that your case is actually processing with USCIS, and at that point you are also assigned a case number. And you can use that USCIS case number in order to track your case online through uscis.gov. After USCIS has received your case for processing, the next step is generally the biometrics appointment. The biometrics appointment is a fairly straightforward appointment where you show up to USCIS and they will take your photograph and your fingerprints in order to conduct a background check on you. Only the beneficiary needs to attend the biometrics appointment. The biometrics appointment typically occurs somewhere between months 2 to 4 in the application process. And this timing depends on local service center caseloads and can vary widely. In some cases, the biometrics appointment can be waived. So pay attention to notices that you receive in the mail from USCIS that will tell you when your biometrics appointment is or whether or not they have waived that biometrics appointment. At this point in processing, typically the next thing that might occur is a request for evidence or notice of intent to deny, depending on the amount and quality of evidence that you submitted to USCIS. They could request additional information to support the bona fides or the true nature of your marriage. They could request an updated birth certificate. Maybe you submitted the wrong birth certificate. They could request a copy of a divorce decree or any documentation to support the case that USCIS deems necessary in order to continue processing. One other common request that USCIS might make is if you did not submit your medical with your initial filing, they would request your medical examination at this point. They would instruct you on how to get that medical exam. That medical exam would then be brought to the final interview. In addition, USCIS at this point would question any income issues for your co-sponsor or your sponsor to make sure that they have the updated tax information and payroll information for whoever might be your sponsor in the case. Once you've satisfied any demands that USCIS might have in regards to your case, then the final step would be the interview. They will issue the interview notice and tell you the date and time that you are to show up at the USCIS offices to be interviewed. If you have any other questions about what happens after you file your immigration case, give us a call. You can put a comment in the comments below, like our channel, subscribe to our videos, send us an email, give us a call, visit our website. There are many ways you can contact us so that we can assist you with your immigration matters. Thank you for watching and have a great day.